highest threat of phone users' privacy. Now, the burning issue in the world, and the last week, the opposition parliament leaders asked a number of questions to the government about this issue. That is, Pegasus spyware. Why people have more interested on this issue? Because international political histories, including the country and around the world, articles on the phone use of journalists, celebrities, and lawyers have been hacked by Israel spyware Pegasus. The Wiry website sensational articles reveals that the phone numbers of more than 300 celebrities in India have been targeted by Pegasus spyware. Many of those targeted were journalists, politicians, and businessmen. The list includes Congress leader Rahul Gandhi, election analyst Prashant Kishore, TMC leader Abhishek Banerjee, and new IT minister Ashwin Vaishnav. But the government had denied all the allegations. What is Pegasus? The Pegasus spyware was developed by Israel NSO group Q Cyber Technologies. The spyware allows us to virtually take data from the mobile phone of person we want. This spyware was created by people with experience working in Israel intelligence agencies, IIA. In the beginning days of 2018, people would send link through SMS, WhatsApp messages, and insert spyware into their phones. Once this link is clicked, without the knowledge of the users, spyware will be installed on the phone. Then sends the data to the other person on the phone without any knowledge of the users. Pegasus succeeds in inserting spyware into the targeted person's phones through zero click without sending the actual links later. Send a push message through the over air option. The spyware will be sent to the target phone. The person using the phone does not know this at all. Pegasus spyware that infiltrates iOS and Android phones sends all the details like his phone contacts, call data, passwords, messages, voice calls, photos, everything in the phone without the users knowing. The attacker can controls our phone's cameras, microphone, everything, and also knows where we are in the world through the GPS system. In a single word, spyware can define is phone is ours, other is others. Why the users cannot be identified their phone was hacked? Because the spyware sends scheduled updates to the CNC servers for less data usage. The spyware is designed for forensic analysis and antivirus software. If necessary, the attackers can deactivate and remove the spyware from the phones. Since it is not known that infiltrated the Pegasus phone, it is almost impossible to stop these cyber attacks. If you scan your phone in a digital security lab, you will not know that Pegasus has attacked. How can you shield your phone yourself? The spyware risk can be avoided to some extent by using basic model handset that only sends phone calls and messages. This risk can only be avoided by updating the phone operating system and security patches from time to time and changing the phone frequently. Then also, attackers also often have to attack with spyware. It costs a lot. Yesterday, the Supreme Court also said that this is a very big issue that needs to be taken care of. True, it's a matter of national integrity. There is definitely a need to take tough action on this. Otherwise, there is a possibility of more cyber attacks near to the future.